Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here from Netherlands, and today I like to make an API, or we want to make an Springboot application to do what? Uh, to accept 4 input from the user online to find a right hash of Bitcoin, and our application should be able to calculate a right hash. Okay, for that thing, I have here a simple empty project. I have to do it a little bit faster. Okay, as you see, I want to make a new HTML page, and I'm going to name it as index1. Index1. Okay, and what I want to do, I want to make uh, some property here, some input to ask user fill it up for us. Okay, guys, I'm going to make a form here. I'm going to make a form here, and I'm going to type block number. Break it for me, and I'm going to give it input type as a text and name tal number 8 tal1, and I'm going to close it. Okay, just simple thing. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy that tal2 tal3. I need 3 tal and tal number 2 and also tal number 3. Block number Merkle root, and previous hash. That's good. And now I need here at the end of this simple form, I need just a radio button also, because break it for me, and one more input. Input type radio or radio button, and name is mass type, because I'll explain it. Value is also, I'm going to give it a class name. Okay, and I'm going to close it, accept. Okay, and now break this line for me, and after that break the line, one more input, guys. Let me see, I have it here also. Let me just, because this is front end and nothing special, let me see. Okay, let me type it. I'm going to, that was a radio. One more type is a submit. This is button, and the value gonna be test my luck, huh? How about that? Test my luck, and close my. And here I want a div like this. One more div, and in that div time leaf, that's why we get error. I want to reserve a variable like this, and dash p, and here I have to give a right name here, timeleaf.org, and let me see what we got here. Here we have close it, and let me check it. Okay, block number, no, Merkle root like this, and previous hash. Let me check it again. Oh yeah, here we need, I'm going to break the line, here also break the line, and now show me. Okay, good. I have here block number, Merkle root, and previous hash. And now guys, we need a function to calculate a SHA-256. And if you watch my previous video, I have made it one time, and also you can find it on my website. But at this time I don't have internet connection, and that's why I can show you. And what I'm going to do, look, this is a method, a standard method to calculate SHA-256. You see, I have it here. It's take a string as an input, and at the end of the function you get a big SHA-256 real hash. Okay, this is simple thing. And what we want to do, I want to handle my form and show some result. Okay, for that thing I want to make a controller. I need to make a controller for this. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going there, I'm going to begin with get mapping because I want to get them. As default is did, I'm going to make a Java method as home, for example, and it takes some parameter, and what they are at request parameter, because we want to send something to our application, and its value gonna be tal number n and required false, and let me check tal and required false, and this is a type of a string. I'm going to give name also tal number n, and I need 3 of these requests because I have here 3 input of my user, and I have to handle it in my backend. Okay, very good. 2, 3, I'm going to value it as a tal number 2a, tal number 3, and a string also tal 3. Okay, I have one more thing. I have here a radio button, and I have to take it also and handle it here. I'm going to make one more, a request parameter. Its value gonna be math type, and required also false, and a string math type. And model as model. Okay, this is just a method. Okay guys, wait. Here return for me index 1. Let's just test it. Return index 1 for me, and let's take a look. We have to close it right there. Okay, return index 1 at the end. Okay, but guys, we need a function to mine. And what is Bitcoin mining? You have to give block number, Merkle root, previous hash, and make them as a string and convert it to a SHA-256. And for that thing, we need to make a mine method in Java. Okay, we have to write a method for that thing. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm coming here, I'm going to make a public, a static, a string builder, as a mine, and it take a string, block number, a string, Merkle root, a string, previous hash, a string previous hash. Okay, and find for me. Sorry guys, I have to do it. I have a call. I'm coming back. Okay guys, sorry for that, I had to take that. Okay, what I want to do, I want to make a mining method. And what it's mean we have to accept those things, a string block number, what user going to type there in our form here, and so on. Okay, what I need more here, look, mining work is nothing, just guesswork, and it's mean who guess first get a big reward. Okay, and you know that as a programmer, when I'm saying about guesswork, it's mean you have to test something several times, and it's mean we need a for loop. Okay, and for these things I'm going to make a for loop here in an unlimited for loop. It's I equal to 0, I is smaller than 1, not never happened. Give me nonce. Okay, here I'm going to use nonce as 0 because we have to add nonce to this hash. After that, find a right hash, and I'm going here to give nonce plus plus. And what I need more, I'm going to make a string here as a text. And what is the string text? It's mean block number plus Merkle root plus previous hash, this thing, and put them all together. And now I need encrypt. I need now a SHA-256 of my text file. Okay, as you see, it gives me some exception, and I'm going to take it here. Okay, good. Okay, now guys, in reality we need, when we say a hash must be begin with 20 or 30, we have to pass it here. Take a look. There is a function in Java, I don't have connection to show you, but I'm sure I've used it before. If my encrypt message dot start with 20, for example, at the begin position. After that, do some things for me. Oh wait, I need here a string builder because this is a local variable. I want to use my class. String builder is a string builder. Let me string builder fin is equal to string builder. It's new a string builder and it's fin. And when you find that, append fin dot append for me my encrypt message. Okay, good. And when you find that and append that, just result print for me my fin, and after that print also for me nonce. What it say? It say just take all of them, hash them, and if you found that, just append it to me. And here return for me my fin. That sounds good. That sounds good. Okay. Now here let me make some more things here in my controller. And what are they? And what I want to do now, we want actually to make here a switch statement. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to say if tal ain is not null and if all of them are not null, tal2 tal3 1 2 3 and math type is also not null. Sorry guys, I have to open it. Pardon guys, I had to open the door. Okay, if all of them are okay or not zero or not empty, and do you know what I want? I want you to switch it for me. And I'm telling you why. Switch math type for me. It means switch math type means this one, and at this time is 1 for Bitcoin. Maybe I want to make for Ethereum also, for Dogecoin also, for them. That's why I'm thinking about the future. Okay, if that for me case 1, let me see what was our name there. Case 1, where is it? Plus. I'm going to case 1 as a plus, like this. And what I want to do for me, look, actually a block number is an integer and those things. That's why I take them as a string, and after that we are going to approve our program. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a string builder, find my string builder. What it's going to do, it's gonna take this mine method and it's mean I'm going to call my method here, and what I'm going to put here, look, I need a string block number, you know, a string block number, and this string block number I'm going to ask user here from first input, and that's tal1. I'm going to put it here, tal1, and second one tal2, and third one is tal3. Okay, and I take exception. I'm going to close it. Okay, and now a model dot add attribute. I've made a placeholder here. You see this? I'm going to use it in my backend. And what you want? I want there in that variable reserve placed for me, print the find hash. Really good. And after that, break it for me. Default, I have nothing as default. Break it again for me. And after that, you are going to return some index 1 for me. Return the same page, because it is one page, simple page. Okay, let me, I am asking to like them, blah blah, and if it's begin with 20, just do that for me. Guys, let's quick check it. I'm going to clear my console to better track and trace, and I want to open localhost. Okay, block number is, I don't have good hash like this, and I'm going to click this. Let me see. Let me just take a look. Index 1, case default, let me check what is wrong here. Tal 1 2 3 1 2 3 tal 1 2 3. Let me check again. Value tal 1 2 3 tal. Oh, cake. You like it, huh? Tal, that is Dutch. Tal 3, like this, and let me rerun my program. Clear console, and now again rerun my program. Block number, make it root like this. It's searching. It's something missing, you see? Let me check it again. Switch for me. Last time. Let me check again my HTML. number, type text, tal1, tal2, previous hash, tal3, something missing here. th text, we have to find it. Index controller, let me take it down. Test my luck. It sounds good. It sounds good. Let me see. Tal 1, 2, 3. It's really okay. Something missing from my controller, some from HTML. Let me see. Here I think we have to bring them like that. Like this. Let's rerun our program to see how it's behaving. I think this is really okay, and it should work, you know. And just let me find the problem. Localhost. And in my localhost, I'm going to div text. Test. Test plus. Do you know what I'm doing? Type text. I'm going to take this variable out. Test. P. Th text is equal to my variable. Let's again rerun it. It sounds good to me, and this is really sounds okay to me, but we have to find it. What is the problem? Mm, string builder, last one by 0. Plus plus string text block number. Oh, plus string text attributes hash plus. Oh, nonce also. We need also nonce here in our method, because nonce is mean program has to check number one with our hash, number two guesswork to find which one is the right one. I think that was our problem. I don't know. Let's rerun it. You see? Oh, wait. Okay. When you are here, just this is also okay. If encrypt start with self-append create system out print line theme, and then here break, break for me, close it, and then yes, just test it. Okay, let's rerun my program. I'm going to clear my console to better track and trace. Localhost, I'm going to do this, accept. Oh yeah, look, that's what I want. You see, we are going, but we are going to type number, block number, Merkle root. I'm going to take this. You see, it is start with 10. This is my Merkle root, for example. This is my previous hash, and I want you to find for me. You see, very fast. And you see here what I'm showing. What's the meaning of nonce? You see, the first one is tried 52 times to find it, and second one 20 times. It's mean my application tested in a for loop 52 times to find this hash, and the second one 20 times. But let's see if I want 5. What happened after that? Find is little bit difficult, because guys, I'm going to put it online, and you guys from everywhere be able to come on this website to find what you want. Maybe you are lucky. Okay, I'm going block number like this, previous hash, this is, and how many zeros, how difficult is that? This is 50. Let's see, 50. You see here, look, it's searching. You see, let's see, guys, it's searching, huh? Oh yeah, look, found it. But guys, we want something else. Because now difficulty is something that changes day on day. And as you see here, because I have to set it here now in my source code, and it's not okay because users has no access to our source code. The user is coming only on this page, and we have to make one more field to set difficulty. For example, you say I want difficulty 20, and if you type 20, our program should convert it to that. And what we want to do, I want to make one more field, one more input to ask for that specific data. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going in my index page. Guys, this is really simple. I'm showing you how simple is that. And I'm going to my index page, and you see here I have here 3 fields. I want one more. What I'm doing, I say break the line, copy this for me and put it here, and here difficulty set by a user, and here I'm going to give 4, and let me see. Okay, more. Let me take a look. Okay, I want to take this number as a difficult. For example, if you type here 5, what it does mean? It's mean I need 50 in beginning of my string. Okay, how we are going to do that, guys? I think we have to write a method for this because I don't know. Let me do one more thing. Okay, step by step. Here I have 3 fields, and I have the next one also. I'm coming here for the next one. Value is tal number 4, and here also number 4. But the zeros, it should handle it in our main method, because you see that we don't like this. We want to user to set this prefix for us. Okay, and let me see. Let me see, guys. Let me see, because I don't have connection and I have to write. On head, they say that. Okay, let me see what we got. Okay, guys, really I don't like to write a method for that, but I'm doing something more. Here I'm saying I have one more parameter as zeros. Okay, one more parameter as zeros. Okay, but this is integer, and I have to take it as integer because 4, 5, 6 is going to set. Okay, How can I take that in my for loop? What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a string as a there, and that is just simple 0. I have a string simple 0. Hey guys, how about that we are going to take this number from user, from front end, and here repeat that string repeated. And what repeated? This is there dot repeat how many times? The time of input zeros. It sounds really good to me. Okay, and what next? And here we don't need anymore to write that, just I'm saying repeated, like repeated from the first position on my code. And one more thing, let me see one more thing I want to do, and that is we have to handle it. Let me see, repeated, that looks fine. And here I'm taking it as a string, and what I'm going to do, guys, little bit coding. I'm going to make an integer, name it as tar. I'm going to integer dot value of tal4, what I'm getting from user. Okay, but it say replace with parse int. Okay, it has some differences between value of and parse int. Okay, and now I have an integer ta, and what I'm doing, I'm saying here pass ta. Okay, this logic seems good and works to me, and let me just check it. Without connection, guys, it's really difficult for me, because here about 1 week you see I'm not posting any video, and just I'm writing some project, and it's really difficult because I have to write what I know. Without Uncle Google, it's really difficult. Okay, good. Block number is this, and difficulty. Show me 2. Okay, it's mean begin with 2 zeros. Oh yeah. You see, guys? And one more thing. For example, let me copy this. This is Merkle root. This is do, and give me for 6 zeros. Okay. And look, take a look. It's working, huh? Look. And that's why they say that our computer is not really enough strong to find right hash, because now we are talking about 5 or 6 zeros, and it takes some time. But in reality, we are talking about 20 zeros, and 20 zeros, it's mean you see here I have I7. You see this is founded, and if I'm, oh yeah, let me see, there's something missing here. Look, this is nouns. What it say? It say in that 1 minute my application tested too much number from 0 to this number to find this hash. But if you see, when I ask about 2 zeros, it take only 544. When you want more zeros, you see, take time. If you type 20 zeros, and wait, nouns, we need also, I want to show user the right nonce, because there is more than one hash that Bitcoin need. I'm going to type 7. I'm going to accept, and like this, you see. And one more, wait, I want, let's program running. I want, guys, something more, and I want to show my user what's the right nonce is, and show them in our page. Let's see first. For this, you see here, it's searching, and you see here my process. This is a little high, and you see here, and this is how mining sites work. I can do you know what I'm doing, or what they are doing? For example, we know the nonce, maybe it's a big number, and what they are do, for example, I am a mining website, and I ask come, we want to mine together, okay? What they do, they say that, okay, first user is Armin, you have to search from 0 to this number, and the second one from this number to next number, you know. And so we are saying, okay, we are 50 person, and so we can find easily. And if you find it, or if find one of them right hash, we are going to give all of our persons well money, okay? And that's how it works. You see, because 6 zeros still nothing, 7 zeros, maybe takes years, really. You see here, I have i7 game laptop. What I want also show the nonce. And how can I do that? Because nonce we are going to handle it in our for loop. Nonce. If I'm not wrong, Java has something like chaining append. What I want, I'm saying, hey, when you append my hash, after that append write nonce also, okay? And yeah, but wait, your nonce is like this. I'm doing plus nonce, and I think IntelliJ is going to, let's see, replace chain append. It's going to make it 3. Yes, here you see it's append all of them. But let's take a look, guys. 7 zeros, still nothing. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm going to stop it here, rerun my program again, and if everything's go fine, I should get nonce also. If with my hash, right hash, correct hash, I have to get also my nonce. Let's clear it, and I'm going to open my localhost. It's this one, Merkle root is this, I have this one there, and give me 6 zeros, okay? Test my luck. You see, guys, it's searching, and you can see here, and you can also see your CPU usage to see that our application works fine. what I want to do, because I want to test it, I'm going to write 2 zeros. Look, 2 zeros. Oh yeah, look, and your nonce. Oh, what happened? Your nonce, we have to do like this. Like this, like this. Yes. Like this, yes. Let's see, or it's really finished. I'm going to clear my console to track and trace, and let me again check it. Give me 3 zeros and give me right nonce. You see, this is our hash that begin with user request, and for this one our application tested 738 hash to find the right hash, correct hash. And let me see what I've got here. Yes, you see also here in my console, nonce is 730, nonce is 730, 38, sorry. And guys, that's this one. And as you know, I'm not front-end coder, and if you see this video and you have idea to make it a little bit beautiful and put it online, if you have idea like this, you're welcome. If you are going to send me email or a message, we can work together and we can make more applications, more APIs, because this is simple. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, okay, Bitcoin, and what I can do more, guys, Ethereum, and we have to implement it. You see, we can continue it. We can continue it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and each of them has algorithm, and we can implement it. That back end, I like back end, and just we are going to handle it here. In the case, for example, in the case of Ethereum, or ETH, here in our case we make other things. Okay guys, I don't have connection right now, and today is Friday, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow me, subscribe me, and I'm thinking about show you guys in next video about Bitcoin wallet, how safe or how unsafe is that, and those things. Okay guys, have a nice day. If you have any question, if you have any job bidding, if you have job offer, if you have something, be happy to hear that. Okay guys, have a nice day. See you in next video.